Guys, sekarang dingin banget bro. Benar dingin di kampung ambuku. Kalau lama-lama diku dingin bana. Induknya babini wak kayak gitu yo. Oke, daripada memikir babini, daripada mikir aneh-aneh, mending kita nonton atau main Pro Evolution Soccer 2017. Yap, yo. Tunggu. Handsfree gua mana? Ini. Pakai ini biar kedengaran.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave
Oke,
to
guys.
me a partridge in a pear tree.
Oh, ternyata Gareth Bale
On
di
the
sini
second
sakit.
day of Christmas, my
Gue
true
ganti
love
sama
gave to
Casemiro
me
jadi
two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
Casemiro di
On the
US
third
dan
day of
Blue
Christmas, my true love gave to me three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Sini main Isco ya Isco. Oke, ini cross jadi INF. Oke, segitu aja informasi dari gue. Oke, kick off babak pertama antara Real Madrid, masih bulan gua ya, Real Madrid sama Barcelona. Rival sekali nih di dunia main.
So a warm welcome to you all. We will be on the way very shortly. Once all
Oke
the
guys,
pleasantries are complete.
ya di sini Ramos sebagai kapten.
And here we have
Persiapan
Real
sebelum
Madrid
main.
against Barcelona. I'm
Oh,
Peter Drury,
Madoan
and here with me
musuh-musuhan
in the
tak
commentary
kailuan
box,
selama
glad to
saya
report,
macaliannya
is
kan.
Jim Beglin.
Sabananya
Thanks for that,
Amerika.
Peter, and may I say a big hello to everyone.
Diko lah kira-kira.
Feel the sense of
Ya,
occasion
inilah
here. El
penampakannya.
Clasico, one
Dia udah
of
cross.
world football's great
Ya.
occasions. No
Ronaldo
rivalry
Morata.
more intense.
Di situ buat tangan awak, sportivitas yang dijunjung tinggi dalam persepak bolaan Bravo olahraga. Ya oke Bung, kick off babak pertama antara Real Madrid versus Barcelona.
Only you, Jim, see
Oke.
making the difference here.
Oke, Morata, on deh, menganga Morata di situ. Pak Ade itu Morata.
Extra special for us, but
Bagus.
he's someone who does
Ya.
everything to a pretty high level and
Ops.
he plays with great intensity.
Oke,
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about
Yap.
how they get the
Ronaldo.
best out of him.
itu sih di kuat-kuatnya badan dan sih.
Busquets,
Alah dong dia tu main.
Neymar, Arda
Ada
Turan,
nganga sepemain dan
Gomez, Luis Suarez,
Hah.
Luis Suarez.
bagus. Kena
Casemiro
Ya,
tries
ya,
lifting it over.
ya. Oke, mantap.
Modric tries to stroke it through.
Bah, ada yang lupin. Itu
Sergio
deh gara-gara
Busquets.
Bel sakit dah. Dengan itu jadi ini kan.
Chip through. Digne goes on a charge down the left. Arda Turan going for goal.
Oh, kata gol ke dah.
That's a half decent
Again.
try.
Kata gol ke dah.
He couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in.
Don lah bersa. Zidane melatihan. Zidane itu mudah.
Sergio Busquets
Zidane melatihan
battles to
gol
win it
sa.
back. Rafinha takes control of it and he's on the move.
Sorry,
Has
salah.
gone out.
Salah. Bah, ada nak konek gol. Nih,
Keeps
menggaya
everyone
di
guessing.
kanan dia di situ.
And it's Busquets. Now it's Arda Turan.
Tua sipak kan lah.
Who's going to make this theirs? Real Madrid get it back again. It's beautiful
Nyerang
intricate
so.
passing. They are
Tua,
toying
lari
with
yang.
their
Tu
opponents.
Well,
nganga
they know that
nyerangnya
their
go.
version of what they do is extremely good.
Gol Real Madrid. Yo. Si Alvaro Morata
Yeah, looking
gol
back
kan.
at that, that's how you
Itu
play on
tendangan
the
yang sangat
counter.
keras
Quick
di
and
tiang
decisive
sudut.
and
Ya,
ruthless with the
gila.
finish. I thought it was a stunning,
Oke,
stunning breakaway.
lihat cuplikannya. Di mana situ sok-sok mau peropor, tiki taka. Kojanya James Rodriguez yang ke dia ambil bodang ke situ, kangkang di perbajaru dia. Itulah ya. Ya deh. Korea itu tobu gawang. Dia ambil di kiper tangga
Real
ke
Madrid
kiper.
give themselves the perfect start,
Eh,
and they build on it.
Dah bulang belum balik.
Cristiano Ronaldo Passes it through.
Aku ni dah buat ni.
Nacho gets it back. Isco.
Dapat dia kiper ni saudara-saudara.
He's pulled him up for that challenge.
Alah tu. Oh lah, dah berundang lah keluar payah tu. Aduh cuma baal pelanggaran je deh. Dia wasit ke borak sebola, baal lo kan. Baal awak lah. Wasit tu pun nak borak sebola.
Gets
Ha tu lah.
outfield.
Tungak-tungak pemain tu ada tu ada lah. Dia tak tahu
Luis
dia dari.
Suarez.
Orang.
Roberto. Rafinha.
Keluar.
Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. It's a long forward pass.
Ambil lah deh. Mantap
Has a
Ampere.
swing at it.
Kuat.
And he's
Ada
there
dalam
to make
big
a
service
great
pun.
save.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working
Dah,
order,
dah, balik.
Peter. That was very good to watch.
Awak menang Aku dia balik. Tak tahu dah ronda nak malu-malu lah. Malu lah. Jauh lah. Jauh lah kaji lah tu. Tiang kan. Ek kan.
Out for a throw.
Okey, kita bermain di belakang dulu. Buat lambuan kan. Santai.
Daniel Carvajal. Aimed long and direct.
Okey.
And it's James
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. Coaxed
Carvajal.
out to the wing. Daniel
Tak
Carvajal
punai dia
goes for
Ronaldo
a
ni.
sweeping cross.
Tak punai Ronaldo tu.
Overhit and out of play.
Tidak apa-apa. Mari kita serang lagi. Karena kita masih unggul sekarang. Okey. Atu sit. Tu ndak si dia. Masa iyo dia ni pak dia tu. Atu lah. Nak aja dia. Ni balik kan. Imo soba jadi banyak. Lalu. Patah-patan belum ajar. Nak ngocok-ngocok lah Neymar lah.
The ball's
Okey.
come loose and the chase is on.
Puas sipak kan.
Sergio Ramos.
Okey,
pumps it forwards.
penghabisan dari babak pertama. Babak kedua ya. Skor sementara adalah 1-0.
Goes and we start the second
Oh
half.
deh. Okey. Okey.
Real Madrid going well here.
Jalan nama
They're in a
gaya.
good position to
Itu
kick on
ulun
and
lah.
add to
Lu
their lead.
pandai
They
lah.
don't have to
Raja
overcommit,
tu ha.
but
Ya,
they
dia
can
bola
place
pacu
more
dah.
emphasis on
Tu bola pacu
stretching
dah.
their
Dia boleh
advantage without necessarily
Dia bola
neglecting
pacu
things
dah.
defensively.
Naldo.
Sergio
Alah,
Busquets.
lah tinggal ni.
Plays it out to the flank.
Ngak. Tu jangan gigi aja berpanjang. Jangan gigi aja berpanjang. Skill dia pun pandai. Ronaldo setiap hari melatih tu. Kau ndak gigi berpanjang, gigi orang. Aduh.
Modric. Daniel Carvajal.
Tenang lebat.
Modric.
Okey, Modric. Masih bermain-main Modric.
Nacho.
Modric ke Nacho.
Played out to the
Dioper ni
wing.
ke Ronaldo.
Cristiano
Ronaldo dia
Ronaldo.
muncul-muncul bola. Dia arah ke Ngenia. Kayaknya dia mau ngesut dari tong ah. Suai saudara-saudara tu. Saudara.
Top save.
Deh.
That shot was
Tidak jadi
swimming.
gol deh. Pegang Porui dia nya.
And it's Luis Suarez.
Okey.
Digne tries to switch
On
the play.
deh. Lah kosong sebelah situ. Ambil per. Kiper bisa tobang. Sama je Spiderman. Bisa tobang kiper rambu. Sama je Spiderman. Yap. Ya. Okey. Okey, jangan Ronaldo. Diotan saja Ronaldo kerja tu. Diotan dari Ronaldo.
Decent progress
Yang
down the
keknya.
left. Hit into the middle.
Tidak kunai saudara-saudara. Tidak sampai ke Palu James
Far too
Rodriguez tu.
far and out of play. Final checks on the
Penggantian pemain
touchline.
karena
Change
pemainnya
about to
bodoh-bodoh
occur.
Well, you
digantinya
have
juga
to feel
pemain
it
bodoh.
for the player being
Yep.
taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat
Okay.
after that, but I guess something had to
Kejap.
be done. I
Ialah
suppose
takut.
it did need a
Pak ni
little
keluar.
change.
Naldo godang pau. Yang lain break Tu hand nampak ada desit.
Barcelona.
Tu ada lunya-lunya pemain ni
Yeah, I
situ
just
sudah.
think it's a conservative move to
Tuan.
deny runners the opportunity of going beyond that rear guard.
Kau buang aja Ronaldo. Patah dah kanan juga. Tu ulik beribu ah.
Great effort,
Untuk
but
je sit
no way
ni.
through.
Tuan dia.
And it's Rafinha.
Alah.
Sergio Busquets.
Alah.
Roberto.
Angkau patah kaki yang betul. Patah
Oh,
kaki yang.
that's neat.
Jalan dengan gaya yang betul. Alun lagi
their
pandai nak.
final change.
Peluang
I
satu.
think you have to admire
Mas
his
juga mau main
willingness
mundur
to
boleh.
keep plugging away, but the
ya.
manager has
Kan
done
kau
him
main
a
nak
big
kat
favour, I
main.
think, by
Mau
taking
buat
him off. You know, he was
kat main
looking
nak
very,
main.
very leggy.
Ka. Morata ko siya. Kasihan. Siya. Dah. Doya ditukar. Ditukar. Nak ada bawa dia sakit saja tukar lah. Ditukar.
Roberto,
Tiang.
Impossible to wrestle off the ball.
Lari Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo going
Oh
full
jalan
steam ahead
Ronaldo.
down the left
Patah
flank.
kaki yang jalan.
Morata. Up for the header. Oh, and
Iya,
that should
cak
have
perlu
been two.
mentah tapi
Oh, it should have been
sayangnya
the kitchen,
susah ni
Peter,
kurang
and he'll be kicking
kurang
himself for not
itu
taking
dah.
the pressure off.
Oklah. Up. Yo. Minit 79 skor masih ini kemenangan antara Real Madrid ya.
Now the pass.
Itu yang kicknya. Jadi ambil yang kick begitu.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Dah lah.
Starting to get the first signs of rain here.
Boleh lari
And
yang
the
nekam.
counter is on.
Kumah orang ni ambil
Big
ya.
chance.
Olun lah. Olun lah. Pak dia baca.
Yeah, his
Olun lah.
chances go. That's
Baik
as
dia
good as it
Ronaldo
gets,
jadi
and it
banyak
could
pak.
well have got them back on level terms.
Panjang je Ronaldo lu saya jadi pak. Sampai yang step. Benda anak yang dalam. Wah, peluang mereka. Aduh,
Cristiano Ronaldo into the middle.
mati. Itu dah.
Back of the net. Two to the good. They have breathing space.
Gol yang sangat spektakuler dari James Rodriguez. Ya,
And that's
gol
what the game
sangat
is all
spektakuler.
about. Find space
Yang
and
kicknya
finish,
dek
but we
Pajar
have
tu.
to credit the pass
Dek Ronaldo.
to pick him out.
Deh. Wih, kolong lah kick ni. Bunganya. Tiba belum kiper rorak pada orang. Bila nak tiba je tu. Rorak ni.
Real Madrid could not have picked
Okay.
a better time to snatch a two-goal lead.
Nampaknya dah mulai
Is
pan
there
ni.
still time
Dah
for a
mulai pan ni.
response? Now it's Cristiano
Patah
Ronaldo.
kaki.
Keeper's done ever so
Bunyi
well.
Ronaldo tu.
Oh,
Pin
much
ni
more
badan
than
tu.
than a routine save for me, and yet
Correct,
he just
correct.
coped with room to spare.
Yap.
Clearance now. Can anyone get on the end of it?
Alah.
Luis Suarez.
Alah.
Good run through the middle, but he needs
Alah.
support.
Ondeh.
Face to
Deh.
face with the keeper. We've got a goal!
Nak gol lah lek. Dia nak lagi sebenarnya
Deep into
dia
injury
kan.
time.
Ya. Nya agak sakit hati ni kecil gigi sama panjang dia kecil ni. Tu kalau dia
Suarez
sakit
showed
hati kan.
real composure.
Tengok lah gol kan.
How
Tak
often
usah
do we
lah
see
kan
a
kalau
player
dia
do
libur
everything
kan.
right
Jadi tak usah.
until he gets into the box, only to completely kind of fluff the finish. Not him.
Barcelona
Kumah
give
lah
themselves a
buat
chance.
Pajar.
Isco.
Tu lah salah je lah. Inyo ngak-ngak tu
Just a
salah
few
sambul.
more moments for them to hang
Salah
on.
sambul lagi. Okey.
And time is up. Well, whatever the shortcomings on either
Alah,
side, it
Madrid.
was a great game to watch.
Messi
Just one
beban.
between them. So there it
Yo,
is.
thank you
What
very
struck
much
you
yang
most
udah nonton
about
video
that?
gua.
Real Madrid
Jangan
made
lupa
their
komen
intentions clear
kalau
that
kalian mau
nothing else but a
request.
win would do. These games are
Misalnya
always
mau
tough, you know,
request
it's not always about form,
Liverpool
it's not always about class
versus
or style,
Barcelona
it's about
misalnya
pride.
kan.
They showed loads of that.
Silakan
Their
tulis
attitude
di
was spot on
kolom
today.
komen. Jadi
many
intinya
thanks to
gua
Jim
nggak
Beglin.
akan pakai yang namanya klub Barcelona. Gua sama Inter, gua anti sama klub yang dua itu aja, oke? Jadi kalau kalian mau request silahkan request di bawah. Terima kasih. Dadah.